Welcome to the demo of Google Sheets extension. Google Sheets extension integrates Zoho CRM and Google Sheets. Often people want to move data between Google Sheets and Zoho CRM. This extension helps exactly in terms of moving data between Google Sheets and Zoho CRM much easily. Key features of this extension is to automatically move data to Google Sheets as and when a record is created in Zoho CRM. So when there is a record created in leads, contacts or deals, it automatically makes an entry into Google Sheets as per the configuration. It also provides a way to manually export or import data from Google Sheets into Zoho CRM or Zoho CRM into Google Sheets. Google Sheets extension comes with a sophisticated GUI for mapping Zoho CRM fields with Google Sheets column headers so that it is completely customizable for end user to do the mapping and do importing and exporting. To install Google Sheets extension, go to marketplace, marketplace.zoho.crm. Look for Google Sheets. You will see an install button here. Click on that. Click on install button. Continue to install. Agree the terms of service and continue to install. You may install for admin only or install for all users. Once you have installed, Zoho CRM will prompt you to authorize. Google Sheets uses Google account, either a Gmail account or a G Suite account. If you don't have a Gmail account already or G Suite account already, you may sign up with Google and then create one. If you already have a Gmail account and G Suite account, as most of you will be having, you can click on authorize. Accept permissions this Google Sheets requires to create or interact with. Now it is connected with Google account. You can click on finish. Now you can see that this integration, this is connected. Once you have installed Google Sheets, you can configure Google Sheets extension to work. Choose Google Sheets from the module options. You will see the Google Sheets extension application here. You have settings, you have import from sheet, export to sheet, and about Google Sheet. So the first thing that you need to do is Google Sheet configuration. Select a Zoho CRM module. Let's select leads. The next thing that you see is automate. So which direction you want to make the data to flow. You want to import data automatically from Google Sheets into Zoho CRM, or you want to export data into Google Sheets from Zoho CRM. or both. For this demo, I will switch on exporting data automatically from Zoho CRM into Google Sheet. The next thing that I need to do is select Google Sheet. You can search for Google Sheets. Let me choose this. Once I have chosen it, I can navigate to the Google Sheet. This is the Google Sheets. I have two tabs here, leads and contacts. In leads, I have kept some information saying that lead ID, company name, given name, surname, and these details. Let me go back. I can see both the tabs appearing here. I want to use leads tab. Then I will need to go and configure which field in Zoho CRM maps to which column in Google Sheet. I'll map ID to leads ID, company into company name, first name to given name, last name to surname, email to email ID. What else I have? Website, industry, and status. Website to website, industry, industry. And lead status to status column here. Now I have done with my settings for lead modules to be going into this spreadsheet that I have selected and automatically put the data into this sheet tab that you are seeing here, and in this column as per my mapping that I have done here. Right. So you're not done with the settings. Do not forget to save this. Let's now go back and check how it works. Let me go to leads module. I'll create a lead and then see whether it gets automatically exported into the Google Sheet. The Google Sheet is here without having any records. I will create a lead. Let me put some information. Okay. Let me save this lead. The moment I save this lead, I should see a record in Google Sheet. Here it goes. So it automatically creates lead information into this particular Google Sheet. So let me do some formatting here so that it appears better. Okay, Let us create one more lead and then see how it appears. Create something. Let me put some information. Okay, so with this information, I'm going to create another lead. I've created the lead. The moment I have created, I should see another record coming in into the Google Sheet. Now I'm going to demo how to import data from Google Sheet into Zoho CRM. I have two leads already there. Let me go to import from sheet. I'm going to import leads. So I have a sheet that is configured that has two records here in the leads. I will create some more leads here. So these are the new leads and these two are existing leads. Let me change something in the existing leads. Okay, let's go back. So I'm kickstarting the import process. You can see these records are getting inserted and the corresponding lead IDs are getting stamped. Yeah, the data is now successfully imported. You can look at the import log to see how many records are imported and how many records are updated, all that. So this is a detailed view of the import records. Let me go to the leads. Let me do a refresh. Now you can see that I have got 10 new leads that has been imported, and the old leads, as per the change that I have done in the Google Sheet, it has updated the name. Now let us look at how to export data from Zoho CRM into Google Sheets. So I'm listing the leads currently available in Zoho CRM. I have 12 leads here. So let me try to export that into a Google Sheet. So you go to Google Sheets tab. go to export to sheet, choose the module. Here it is leads. Let's pick up a Google Sheet from here. So I'm going to pick up this one. This is called Zoho CRM Sync Records. So here I have created a tab called Exported Leads, and then I'm keeping the headings here. Right. I just kept the headings here. Right. So let me go back into the export screen. So I'm going to pick up exported leads as the tab. Currently if you see the exported leads, it doesn't have any information here except the header information. So now I need to go and do some mapping in terms of what maps into what column, what Zoho field maps into what sheet column, right? So let me do some more mapping. Company name should be picked up from company. Given name should be picked up from first name. Surname should be picked up from last name. So you can basically do mapping of fields, as many as fields that you want to export from Zoho CRM into Google Sheet. So I want to get the email, then I have website. Let me pick up the website. What other fields I have? We have industry and status. So industry comes from industry comes from here. Then I have something called status. Status is mapped with lead status. So let me check where the lead status is. Lead status. Okay, now I'm done with the mapping. Once we're clear about the mapping, we can just go ahead and click on export to export into the sheet. So once again, you can have a look at this. This is how the Google Sheet tab is set up with just the header information. We have done the mapping, then hit the export button. Yeah, now you can see that all my 12 records is being exported into this Google Sheet. Right. So I have 12 records here. All this information is exported into this Google Sheet based on the mapping that I have provided there. That's it. Export is done. Okay, you can get more information about Google Sheets extension by going to about Jigs. Jigs stands for Jivrus Integra for Google Sheets. So we are Jivrus Technologies. You can read through this. You can reach us by clicking on Contact Us. That takes you to a place to fill in your information in terms of your queries, questions, or any feature request that you may want. You can fill this. It will send you an acknowledgement immediately, and then we'll be responding to your queries, and then we'll try to solve as much as possible. Thank you very much.